All right, guys, welcome back. All right, so recently we've had a couple of challenges around generation of seeing the date of our current viral load on the ART line list. So this would be a makeshift to sort of a walkthrough to help us see that that report on our ART line list quickly. To access our database, what you simply need to do is just to launch your Workbench. Search on the search bar Workbench, and you'll see this the dolphin icon. Click on the dolphin head. It launches this interface. Of course, what we need to do is just click on this local instance MySQL. When you click on that, it connects to the database. Once you do that, and then click on OpenMRS. Of course, the schema I would want to work on is OpenMRS. I just want you to note that on top here, top left corner, what we have is local instance MySQL 57, which is the database that's housing our NMRS. Now, what we'll need to do is to copy the scripts that I shared with the team. Of course, I asked that we place it on our desktop. And on my desktop, you can see at the center part of my screen. All I need to do is just double click on it. When I double click on it, it launches on my SQL Workbench as well. Now, what I want you to notice is that once it launches on my SQL Workbench, I have two windows open. First, before now, we saw local instance MySQL 57, and now we are seeing unconnected. Unconnected is the window that bears the script I want us to run. So all you need to do is just copy these scripts, take it to MySQL 57, which bears our database, and run it. Now, first and foremost, you may want to clear your Workbench before importing the scripts. By that I mean, if you checked earlier on and when I logged in, you may have seen, or perhaps if I can't remember if it was there, but this field may be filled with some kind of scripts, right? So what you need to do is, before you run your scripts, the scripts are just shared with us, make sure this field is cleared up. Now, once this is done, you go to the next window. I told us we have two windows now. My SQL instance, localhost MySQL 57 and unconnected. So we are actually on that database. What we need to do is click on the unconnected to take us down to the scripts. So when I click on that, this is the script. All I need to do is highlight everything and copy, or simply you can also do Control A, Control C. With that, you have copied that script. Go down to my SQL Workbench where you have the database. You may want to highlight OpenMRS, which is the schema we want to run this on. Come down to the right part and Control V, that's to say paste. Paste the script you copied. Once you're done with this, all you need to do is just hit on this button here, which says the lightning button, of course, which would execute the scripts. When you hit on that button, you'll see down here in the output action or the action output, you'll see either the script is running or it has failed or something. But of course, as you can see on my screen, it is running. So just give it some time. It would definitely show that it has completed running. This is all you need to do. Okay. Ignore my system. I think I have some error on my database I'll need to correct for this to run. So all you need to do is just click on that lightning icon. This would run and you're good to go. Once that is done, you can go ahead to do your entries and do your updates and every other thing you need to do as usual. And then perhaps at the end of it all, you generate your ART line list and share as is expected. So that's all you need to do. For your ART line list, of course, recall that you have a script that was shared before now, and then an updated script that was shared. Make sure you use, going forward, the updated script except otherwise stated. Thank you, and bye for now.